Okay, welcome. This is Mr. B. We're going to be talking about uploading and using the Sphero EDU app, adding to your Chromebook. How do we do it? Well, at the Chrome Web Store, just type in EDU SPHERO. That's the EDU Sphero app. There it is. You click on it. And what you're going to do is add it to Chrome. So you're going to get this button over here. I've already installed it, but over here on the right with the blue button, you click Install to Chrome. You're going to click on that. Okay. Once it's downloaded and added to your Chromebook, you're simply just going to launch the app. It's going to bring you here. Now, you're going to have to go and get added to the class. So when you do the sign-in process, it's actually very easy. Okay. How do we do it? Well, it's going to ask you to sign in. You're going to join your class. You're going to, in first account, you're going to enter the class code. Now, I've already done it once, so I'll give us a brand new one, 3Y9MG3. Okay, that's a class code. If I could learn how to type. Okay, and hit submit. This would put my first into this class. So what I'm going to do is become a test student just so you see how to add it. Click add. It's going to add me to the class. This is your main screen. You don't have anything added. Right now, under activities only, the only thing you'll see right now is your programs, your My Programs section. You want to be able to first click on Connect a Robot. And this green button down in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, you're going to connect to the robot. You're going to connect to a Sphero bolt. You're going to choose one of the 5 that you can use, and you will find their ID numbers on the front side. If you see the little white Sphero logo right here, okay, that's right below that is the number. You just click on that one and connect to it. So this is the SB 85 or 65. So I'm going to connect to this one. It's going to tell me that I'm connected, and what's going to happen is you're going to see the Sphero light up. The purple just told me that I'm connected. Blue screen now tells me that I am completely connected to this robot using my Chromebook. You got to make sure that your Bluetooth is on. Now I'm going to go in and create a program. So now we're going to talk about creating an untitled program using blocks. To start with, we're going to use a Sphero bolt and click create. This is your main screen. What you want to look at is first, on the left-hand side, you have your start program. That's how all programs start. This is very similar to Scratch and using Scratch. First thing you want to do, the first object that we're going to use is the movement control. Now I'm going to bring it over here into the middle so you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay. For any program to work, it always has to be connected to the OnStart program. If it's not, then when you click on start, nothing will happen. Plain and simple. Okay. Have 3 elements to work with. In this instance, you have the roll, which is basically a compass. You can choose your heading. 0 is always forward. Think of it in those terms. Your speed is the at. So you're going to have to tell it a speed that you want it to travel. In this instance right now, for starting, I just want you to start it and keep it at 100. Last, the speed 4. This is the distance element. Put it in for 4 to 5 seconds to start with, and you're going to have to adjust it from there. Place the Sphero on the ground. We're going to aim it up here in the top right corner. Click on aim. There's a blue light that lights up on the screen. It needs to be facing you directly. So you would use the aim command to bring the Sphero